In today's video, I will teach you how to blur the background in Lightroom. Let's get started. Blurring the background in Lightroom can help draw attention to the subject and create a pleasing depth of field effect. And here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this. First, launch Lightroom and select the photo that you want to edit. Then switch to the Develop module by clicking the Develop tab at the top. In the right-hand panel, click on the masking icon to access the masking tools. Then click on Select Subject if Lightroom can detect and mask the subject automatically. This is useful for portraits or clear subjects. Alternatively, you can choose Brush, Linear Gradient, or Radial Gradient to manually create a mask over the background. And if you use Select Subject, choose Invert. This will select the background instead of the subject. With the background selected, reduce the clarity and texture sliders to soften the background. Then lower the sharpness slider to further blur the background. Now adjust the dehaze slider slightly to enhance the blur effect if needed. Now use the brush tool within the masking options to refine the mask by adding or subtracting areas as needed. Then toggle the mask on and off to see the difference. Then adjust the sliders until you achieve the desired level of blur. If you want a more custom blur, you can use the Radial Gradient tool around the subject and adjust the sliders to blur the background while keeping the subject sharp. Then increase the feather slider within the masking options to create a more natural transition between the subject and the blurred background. Then combine multiple masking tools for complex images where the background isn't uniform. By following these steps, you can effectively blur the background, enhancing your subject and adding a professional touch to your photos. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.